welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Homestead and we're going to talk a little more in depth on this Stihl Weedeater. It's FS56RCE, and we'll go over some slides. And I did another video on that, but we're going to do one that's a little more in depth for these techno geeks that want to know how many ounces of fuel it holds and what the horsepower is on the 2-cycle engine. So when I look at stuff, I just want to see if it's going to cut down and do what I need to do. But some people like the more in-depth review. This one is for you. We've got another one that doesn't cover all that stuff. And if you don't want it, go click on that link. I'll put a link in the description. So other than that, let's see. We did the intro. I told you to hit the button. We showed landing. Well, let's get to it. Okay, so we did the intro. We're going to take a look at the features and benefits, pros and cons, what I don't like, and who it's for. This is Homeowner Series string trimmer. It's got an easy start system. I love this start system. It's no problem at all to get going. It's got handlebar grips you can get with it. You can take the string head off and put blades on it for light brush work. Some of the features, you have an adjustable front handle, the shoulder strap carrying system. This thing's well balanced. Fully lined drive shaft, big plus. High-tech polymer housing, yeah, you're not going to break it easily. Choke levers, you're not going to turn that on by accident. It's got a throttle trigger interlock you can set and keep going as you're weed eating. Steel on steel clutch is a big thing. We talked about having cutting blades. It's good to go. The easy start system, and it's built in the US of A. Some of the specs for the techno place people. It's 1.66 cubic inches. You can read it just as well as I can. A little over 1 horsepower, weighs 10.6 pounds. It's really light to use. It's got enough fuel to where you're ready for a break when you run the tank dry. 16.5-inch cutting path, and it's powered, of course, by the 2-cycle gas engine. What I like about this thing, fully lined straight shaft, much easier to use, especially if you're old and have a bad back. It's gas powered. I don't like a lot of this electric stuff because it just doesn't seem to have the power. It's easy to start. It's easy to use. It's durable. It's a Stihl product. It's durable. Cutting power. It has a lot of cutting power, you can see from the video. You can also put blades on it, and the trimmer head's easy to put new string in. It's lightweight, has good balance, and it's very low maintenance. I think the only thing I've done is replace a spark plug on this thing in the 3 or 4 years I've had it. I really can't find anything that I don't like about this weed eater. This thing is built for any average homeowner. We've got a little homestead here, 23 acres. It works fine for us. If you got back issues, we just talked about that. It's got the straight shaft versus the crook neck. Crook necks to me are a pain in the backside to use, and they're not as durable. So this is a little more, video of what this thing will cut down. And if you're not trying to cut down weeds bigger than this, I don't think most average homeowners that live in a neighborhood have weeds this big. If you do, your homeowners association is probably beating you up already. This is what you're looking for. You're not going to go wrong with a Stihl product in general. The FS56RC is more than enough for anything the average homeowner is going to need. You can afford to buy Stihl, buy Stihl. Stihl seems to be the go-to name right now for reliability and durability. Other than that, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Told you I couldn't talk today. I don't know what's up. And, we'll see where we go from here. That's all I got for now. Bye.